Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a where 5 to the power a plus 5 to the power a is equal to 100. Or now taking count 5 to the power a, we will get 5 to the power a times 1 plus 1 is equal to 100. Or 5 to the power a times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to 100. Or now divided both sides by 2, we can write here 5 to the power a times 2 over 2 is equal to 100 over 2. This 2 cancel out this 2 and here we will get 50. So we can write here 5 to the power a is equal to 50. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 5 to the power a is equal to log of 50. Or we know an logarithm formula, this a move here, so we can write here a times log of 5 is equal to log of 50. Or now divided both sides by log of 5, we can write here a times log of 5 over log of 5 is equal to log of 50 over log of 5. Now this log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get a, or we can write here a is equal to log of 50 can be written as 5 times 10 over log of 5. Or a is equal to, now we know an logarithm formula, log of ab is equal to log of a plus log of b. So apply this formula, we can write log of 5 plus log of 10 over log of 5. Or now we can write here a is equal to log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 10 over log of 5. Or a is equal to log of 5 cancel out log of 5, so here we will get 1 plus log of 10 over log of 5. Or a is equal to 1 plus, now again log of 10 can be written as log of 5 times 2 over log of 5. Or a is equal to 1 plus, now we can write here log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Or a is equal to 1 plus, now we can write here log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Or a is equal to 1 plus, here we will get 1 plus, now we can write here log of 2 base 5, because we know that log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. So apply this rule, here we can write log of 2 base 5. So finally the value of a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log of 2 base 5, and it is our final answer. Now check. Our questions is 5 to the power a plus 5 to the power a is equal to 100. Here a is equal to 2 plus log of 2 base 5, or 5 to the power 2 plus log of 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power 2 plus log of 2 base 5, it is equal to 100. Or now we can write here 5 square times 5 to the power log of 2 base 5 plus, similarly here we can write 5 square times 5 to the power log of 2 base 5 is it equal to 100. Now we know that a logarithm formula, a to the power log of b base a is equal to b. So apply this formula, we can write 5 square times 2 plus, similarly here we will get 5 square times 2 is it equal to 100. Or we know 5 square, that means 5 times 5 is 25 times 2 plus, similarly here we can write 25 times 2 is it equal to 100. We know that 25 times 2 is 50, so here we will get 50 plus here we will get 50, it is equal to 100. Now we know that 50 plus 50 is 100, so we can write here 100 is equal to 100. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our final answer is a to the power 2 plus log of 2 base 5. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.